Hi, here is my solution to the exercise which searches for a file in directories and subdirectories. So I am creating a root directory, which could be the project directory, or it could also be destination. It doesn't matter, you'd still get the same results. So if you want to also search among these files, you could leave that. Otherwise, put destination there. And that's the search term. Now, you could also implement a function and make this code more usable, but for our purpose, this is enough just to demonstrate you how we can search for files. And then the loop is simple. We iterate through our glob. So our glob will look at the directories and subdirectories for files. And then we look if the search term, so if 14 is in the stem of the file, right? The stem is 10, 11, 12, 13. We print out the absolute path. Now, this script, however, is also looking for folders with the same name. So if you say here, for example, item and execute, it will also give you folders that have that name and not only files. So if you want to check only for files, you'd want to put a condition if path is file, and then indent these under that condition, and then run again, and then you put the colon here, I forgot, run, and then you get only the zip files, so files, not folders. And of course our original term was 14, and we should get two files, that one and that. So yeah, that's the solution. Thank you.